Hello everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today I am sharing with you a DIY. Now I will be creating some Mackenzie child pieces, and I wanted to share with you my pieces that I will be using. Now I have this bowl of fruit. It is some ceramic pieces with the metal overlay on the tips of each piece. So I was about to give this to the Goodwill, but before I donate it, I want to see if I can create some Mackenzie child style pieces with this to incorporate in creating myself some pieces with that. For that, I always have had an interest in Mackenzie child pieces, but really haven't been anywhere to see them, and therefore I haven't purchased any. So I will be joining in with Styling with Stacy and the rest of the fabulous ladies of the Glam Squad. They are doing a Mackenzie child tablescape. So enough chit-chatting. Let's get into taping off my pieces, and then we will begin to paint. All right, keep on watching. All right, guys, we are about to paint this ceramic bowl. I have taped off my sides because I just want to paint the inner white, and then I'm going to paint the back part white. I am using this antique white paint that I purchased from Walmart, and I will be putting it in this container, so if I have any left over, I could just put the lid on and it will remain good. And I am using this paint so I don't have to use so many coats. I still probably need 2 coats, but I definitely will not need 3. am going to go get a different paintbrush. This one has that plastic in it, so it's not doing a good enough job for me. So I'll be right back. I will let this dry and move on to the next pieces. All right, this piece is done, and I will share with you the rest.
How you doing now?
Stripes. On this one, I will be doing the stripe method. Good night, boo.
Good night.
And I'ma just do this area right here gold. So this will be black, this will be black, this will be black, and this will be black. I'm using my acrylic black paint. Okay, now we will be doing the banana. I taped it off. It has some grooves right here. Right here is like 4 grooves that stand out on the banana. So I will be painting those grooves black. So continue to watch. And this right here is smooth, so I will not be painting it. I am placing tape on the whole thing, and then I will take off every other one so that my stripes will be nice and crisp. I am removing every other one, and I will keep my tape strips for the next item I will tape off. I can just clean up the little imperfections with the Q-tip. So I will let this dry and I will continue on. Okay, my next piece is an apple, and I want to do circles. I'm going to take the bottom of this, dip it in paint, and see if I can create some circles. These are candle jars. I have 2, and I will be also doing a DIY with these.
Yeah, so that's the first stuff.
everyone. I have completed my pieces. Here you can see I've added gold to the bowl as well as all of the pieces. And I ended up painting the inside of the bowl black. It seemed like the pieces popped more with the black inside. And then I also created a pumpkin, a Mackenzie child pumpkin. And I also created some napkin rings, a 4-piece. And I did 2 candle holders. So this will end my video, and I hope you all will watch out for my Mackenzie child tablescape. Thank you all for stopping by. Be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. And I will see you all on my very next video. Bye-bye.